1957. Chevrolet Bel Air abandoned in a junkyard, fully rusted body, faded turquoise paint, broken glass. Close-up of the front grille of a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, rusted chrome, dents, peeling paint. Side view of a severely rusted 1957 Bel Air, junkyard background, cracked tires, dusty sky, destroyed interior of a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, torn seats, dust everywhere. Broken steel. Old rusted engine of a 1957 Bel Air, leaking oil, corrosion, abandoned look, extremely detailed. 1957. Bel Air being washed with a high-pressure water jet, rust washing off. Close-up shot of sanding a rusted 1957 Bel Air door panel, sparks flying, dust particles visible. Half-cleaned door panel of 1957 Bel Air. Left side rusty, right side metal exposed, dramatic light. 1957. Bel Air body fully sanded and coated with gray primer. Workshop environment. Mechanic hands working on rebuilding the 1957 Bel Air engine. Shiny new parts, detailed tool tech. Fresh polished chrome bumper for 1957 Bel Air. Reflective surface, studio style lighting. 1957. Chevrolet Bel Air being spray-painted candy blue pastel, paint mist in air, professional work. 1957. Bel Air shining in new blue pastel paint, glossy reflections, perfect smooth finish, fully restored interior of 1957 Bel Air, new leather seats, chrome dashboard, bright clean look, 4K realism. Brand new rebuilt V8 engine of 1957 Bel Air, polished metal parts, clean wires, showroom look. Close-up of new shiny alloy wheels and clean white wall tires on 1957 Bel Air. Dramatic reflections. 1957 Bel Air being assembled. Doors and hood being fitted. Workshop lighting. Detailed realism. Fully restored 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Candy blue pastel paint. Chrome shining. Split image. Left side rusted 1957 Bel Air. Right side fully restored, dramatic. A 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, driving on an empty road at sunset. Shiny finish, motion blur, ultra